How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have an F-150 and you're looking at the instrument cluster and you're wondering, how do I get the gears to show up, like the transmission showing what gear I'm in on the instrument cluster? It's actually quite easy. You don't need any special tools or programming, and I'll show you how. Here we go. Now, there's a few different reasons why you'd want to show on your instrument cluster what gear you're in. The first one is, well, just kind of cool to have that information visible. The second one is, if you're one of those guys that likes to watch his fuel economy quite closely, you want to get in high gear as quick as possible. So you can vary your accelerator pedal position to get that extra gear to get better fuel mileage. And lastly, let's say you start to develop transmission problems. You know, transmissions are quite complicated, and like this one, it's a 10-speed transmission. So it's a lot of parts. And the more information you can give your mechanic, the better. You know, if it's a rough shifting between, let's say, 3rd and 4th, or it bangs downshifting between, 7th and 6th. Anytime you can give your transmission tech information like that, it just helps him out tremendously. He knows right where to look. Now, how do you show what gear you're in? You watch your instrument cluster right here, where it says west, it'll list it, going from 10th all the way down to 1st. So what you want to do, put your foot on the brake, put it in gear, and you go to your gear selector. See the plus or minus? And then even if you have the column shift, the console shift, it's the same. You just press and hold the plus, and there you go. Your gears are all displayed. You can see now we're showing 1st gear. As you drive up, it'll show you exactly what your gear you're in. Thought I'd share that little tip with you guys, because really, in your instrument cluster, the more information you can see, the better, in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments section. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when I get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.